Welcome to Bunny's Perla Lichi Palace, where the staircase alone cost more than my entire condo. Perla Lichi gave me an art gallery so chic my ex-husbands have to pay admission just to visit.
Honey, charge extra for emotional
Perla Lichi gave me a dining room so royal I feel like I should charge admission for dinner.
Please.
Perla Lichi made my bedroom so royal, I keep expecting a butler to walk in carrying my divorce papers on a silver tray. Perla Lichi gave me a living room so glam, even my therapist said it's emotionally overwhelming.
Please.
Perla Lichi gave me a koi pond so fancy I'm waiting for one of these fish to slip me their business card.
Honey, with your track record, it'd be a prenup.
Or a restraining order.
Well, that's the end, ladies. Thanks for joining our palace tour.
And remember, boring houses are a crime.
Oh, no, never. Oh, no. I will never, ever apologize for a palace. No. I'm like, really? People ask me all the time, Perla, why do you design so many palatial interiors? Well, because I don't have a boring bone in my body. Can you tell? I mean, really, guys, have you met me? Well, you have. But if you came to me and said, oh, Perla, I want 4 white walls. Oh, God. 1 beige sofa, 1 lonely chair, and absolutely no personality. Well, I'd probably recommend, another designer. Just saying. I mean, I've spent more than 40 years designing luxury homes all over the world. And one thing I've learned is this. People do not ever remember ordinary. No. Nobody ever walks into a house and says, oh my God, did you see that average ceiling? Nobody, guys. But they do remember that incredible chandelier, the grand staircase. Oh yeah, there it is. That spectacular marble floor, the custom ceiling, yes, the fireplace that makes you stop in your tracks. Well, those are the things people talk about 20 years later. Yes, remember, it's timeless, guys. Now, some people think palatial means over the top. Well, I think it means unforgettable. Just saying. And there's a difference, yeah. And no, I'm not trying to recreate Versailles. No, not me. I wouldn't try that. Never. I get inspired by it. Yes, we all do when we're visual. So, first of all, imagine cleaning Versailles. Oh, can you imagine dusting those chandeliers every week? Oh, well, guys, I would need a whole football team for that. Well, what I love is taking inspiration from all that timeless architecture, and giving it a fresh, talking fresh, interpretation, such as a little Renaissance. Oh, why not? Maybe a little Baroque. Ooh, a touch of Neoclassical. Sometimes Mediterranean here and there. Maybe some Art Deco here, Sometimes I'll mix them all together. Call it eclectic. It's kind of like making the perfect recipe, but instead of adding garlic, I'm adding crystal chandeliers. Oh yes, and a lot more details. Now, every once in a while though, sometimes tells me, oh, Perla, less is more. Really? Well, according to who? I'm like, really? Whoever said that? Well, I do know who did say that. Ms. Van der Rohe. But, because when it comes to diamonds though, think about it, nobody says, can I have that? Yeah. Well, when it comes to chocolate lovers, nobody says, oh, I wish this cake had less flavor. Me, myself, I'd say, I'd rather have more nuts. Well, yeah, that's just personal. But luxury is about having the right things. Now, don't misunderstand me. No, I do love modern design too. I mean, I've designed beautiful contemporary homes too. Modern can be absolutely spectacular, but somewhere along the way, people started confusing minimal with finished. Listen, if your living room looks like Moors forgot to deliver half the furniture, I say we have a problem. So your house actually shouldn't look like it's still waiting for Amazon or whatever. Just saying, guys, I keep saying. A home needs personality.
Perla Lichi turned my house into a palace. I feel like the Queen of Versailles, except my pool has a slide.
A slide.
Perla Lichi gave me my Cinderella dream. I'm just waiting for my Prince Charming to knock on the door.
Or at least bring me cheesecake.
Perla Lichi didn't just give me a house, she gave me a PA-less. I'm practically European royalty now, minus the corgis.
Perla Lichi made this dining room so fabulous. I feel like I'm hosting a state dinner for the King of Spain.
Perla Lichi gave me a Romeo and Juliet staircase. Now I just need a Romeo to meet me at the top, preferably one with a trust fund.
When I was 25, I stood outside Versailles in the rain and promised myself, one day, Bunny, you'll have your own palace.
They've got a term that freaks.
Well, like me, maybe not like me, like you, because the soul, it's your soul. That whole home should tell your own story before you even say hello. And then I gotta let you know that every project that I design starts exactly the same way. Yeah, with no furniture, no colors, no fabrics. It starts with one question and one only. Simple. How do you want to feel every time you come home? Right? I mean, do you want to feel like you're walking into a luxury hotel? A European villa? A penthouse overlooking into the ocean? A palace? Well, maybe just a place where your mother-in-law walks in and says, wow, I'll take that. Actually, if that happens, I'll take it as a major victory. The details are what create the magic. The moldings, the lighting, the custom furniture, the stone, the fabric, the finishes, guys. All those things are never little. No, they're not. They're what separate a nice room from a room. People can't just stop talking about it. Yeah. And there's another thing I've learned after all these years. Ooh, trends are funny, guys. Yeah, they disappear. Like me. And then they come back. Then somebody gives them a new name and suddenly they're the hottest new trend. Oh, whoop-de-doo, yeah, oh. Well, no. Guys, I've already seen it. Usually twice, sometimes 3 times. Oh, yes. Classic design doesn't have that problem. Nope. Because good proportions never go out of style. Craftsmanship never, ever goes out of style. No, you know why people still travel around the world to see palaces, castles, museums, historic hotels. Ask your question. Ask yourself that question, actually. Because beautiful design has an expiration date of never. So whether your style is classic, modern, transitional, or somewhere in between, design the house that makes you happy, not the one social media tells you is trendy this week. No, because trends change faster than people's profile pictures. Yeah, look at that one, just changed again. Oh gosh, your home should make you smile every day. Yes, and if somebody walks into your house and says, wow, oh yeah, that's a little over the top, just smile. Offer them a cappuccino. Turn on the chandelier, on with your remote, and let them enjoy the view. Trust me, we know the truth. They secretly love it. Just saying from experience. And remember, I'm Perla Lichi, and after 4 decades of designing luxury homes, palaces, castles all around the world, I do still believe life is too short for boring houses. No!